Hi guys, now we can see some of the commodities how they gonna behave in this week. Okay guys, how you gonna trade in this week? So you can see that it is exactly right now it's taking a supporting area. So our immediate first target will be this guys, second target, okay guys, third and fourth, and our last target will be somewhere here this time, fifth target. Okay guys, you can see here I have to show you that this is the area where it is taking a resistance. Okay guys, this time definitely it's gonna break because of, I will tell you, because of this is the area first time has came taken downside, second time has came taken downside, this time it will break, then it gives us very big target guys. Okay guys, it's a right time you can buy here also, or it will cross and take somewhere here support or crosses, then you can make first, second, third, and even you can take further also. Okay guys, now we can see for downside too guys. In downside you can see that if it will came and take resistance, then you can go for, definitely your first target will be here guys, second target, this will be the third, fourth and fifth target guys. These are the five target in downside momentum. Okay guys, we can see for next commodities natural gas. In natural gas I have told you exactly that only happened, it's taken a support somewhere here only, you have buy, so you have got very nice trade up till here only. You can see that how nicely taken resistance from here only and came downside. Okay guys, I will just remove these all. Just a second guys. Okay, somewhere here only you can see that first, second, third time, then only it came first time and taken a upside momentum it's doing right now. Okay guys, so right now I'll just remove this will be act as a for us as a resistance area, but this time it will gonna definitely break. Okay guys, you have to see that I will just shift it a little bit more. Okay guys, this will become correct right now. Okay guys, I will just draw it downside also as a supporting area, so we get a clear area. Okay guys, so right now what I am thinking is that right now I am thinking that it gonna definitely break. If it will come here, take support, then you can definitely go for your first target, second, third and even fourth target guys. It will gonna gives you very big momentum. Please see my analysis also, and I have posted some videos for learning, go and check out. And also I have done so many analysis like a weekly analysis also. I have told you there where is my stop loss, where I have bought something, so go and check out that too guys. If probably it will take resistance somewhere here only, then our first target will be here guys, second target, this will be the third, this will be the fourth target guys. Okay guys, if it goes downside, then this trend line will be worked. Okay guys, if it will continuously taking resistance, once again come and take resistance, then you can go for your first, second, third target up till here guys. Okay guys, you have to also see that this is the one of the thing is I am seeing is somewhere here only it is making like this triangle pattern. Okay guys, if it will continuously consolidate, whichever side it will break, it gives us very nice momentum also. You can check out and also join my Telegram channel, I will update there too guys. Okay guys, we can see for gold exactly what we have discussed there only, up till there only it came and taken a reversible and taken resistance right now and coming downside. So what for next week, you can see here if it will came upside momentum, then take here somewhere support, you can definitely go for your first, second, third target. Okay guys, these are the three target in upside right now, but if something happens or something bigger momentum has been coming, so I will update in Telegram channel, you can join there. Okay guys, if it will continuously go and take somewhere here only resistance, then your first target, this will be the second, third, fourth, fifth and your last and sixth target. Okay guys, I will just mark it up guys. So it has to break this level. it has to break this level, then only go for short. Okay guys, if it will break, then only go for short. Somewhere here only consolidate and break, then only go for short, and you can get better target also in this. Okay guys, we can see for coffee guys, coffee exactly what we have discussed, broken up till here. Our all target has been reached, reversible here, only taking resistance right now once again. So I will just shift it there, and here also I will just shift it. Okay guys, right now what we have to see, right now what I am saying is that if it will break and take somewhere support, then your smaller first target, this will be the second, third and fourth target guys, because in coffee there is not so much volatility. Okay guys, so it's up till you, because gold and natural gas, and you can see in crude oil there is so much liquidity also and so much volatility you can get, but in coffee little bit less only you get. But then also if you trade, it's up to you. Okay guys, if once again taking a resistance somewhere here, then your first target will be your second target, third target and fourth target. Okay guys, these are the target for coffee guys. Hope you like this video guys. You can learning from my videos, so go and check out all the weekly analysis also. There I will tell you how to take a trade, and when I am taken that trade, where is my exit, where is my stop loss, why I have taken that, all the logic I have told you. Please check out that too guys. Okay guys, I will just do like this, so you can pause and make your points. Okay guys, so these are the downside for gold. You can see, pause it and make that line. This is for upside momentum in gold. Okay guys, we can go for next in natural gas. You can see here. So you can get it. So you can see upside momentum are these. Okay guys, these target in downside is these target guys. Okay guys, and also you can see that this is at the pattern of triangle. If it continuously consolidate then break upside, then you can definitely go for upside momentum. You can definitely use this bigger momentum. Okay guys, in crude oil, okay guys, here only it is right now second time has been game, so third time it will game definitely break and uses even bigger target too. Go and join my telegram channel, I will update there guys. Okay guys, if it will take resistance, then you can go for these target, first, second, third, and this is smaller. After that you can get bigger target too. Okay guys, these all are the target. Hope you like this video guys. If you like this video, please share with your friends and families guys. Thank you guys.